Walking?
Walk if you want.
Walk.
Yeah, it's typical.
You can see us. Can't you say it's seeing us?
Yeah, I can see us.
You reckon?
Yeah, I can see.
Right, so the date now is Saturday the 27th of July. When's 4th of August?
Yeah, next
5th
Sunday.
of August. The Escort's currently looking a state, so I guess in this particular special episode of Beardy Car Bros we are going to make the Escort great again.
Hopefully we get the outside looking a bit better and the inside, as well as making it sound amazing too.
So I guess that involves cleaning it. Crack on.
Oh, fuck you, what are you going to do?
Paint, mate. Prick.
Let's do this.
Touch, and I will show you just one's enough. Our blood is flowing now, but no, go hard, but no, let's pop, but no. What am I doing wrong? I feel your clutch pulling me through. I try not to rush to impress you now, but no, go hard, but no, let's pop, but no. What am I doing wrong now? But no, go hard, but no, let's pop, but no. What am I doing wrong now? But no, go hard, but no, let's pop, but no. What am I doing wrong?
Still looks like shit.
That'll do. I thought you were cleaning it.
I didn't f***ing clean it.
Well, you haven't.
You can have.
With what?
It's a pressure washer, not a f***ing magic wand.
Right, let's get painting, shall we?
You got gas mask?
Well, like respirators.
Yeah, so you can paint. Right, well Scott's getting the gas masks. I can show you that we've already... What the fuck is that? You said you got...
Вспышка! Бросай гранату!
What the fuck is that? I can't use that.
Заряжаю взрывчатку. Цель уничтожена. Прикрой меня, я должен перезарядиться. Я ранен! Дымовая граната!
I'm gonna go to the shop.
Вспышка!
I'm gonna get a proper one.
Прикройте меня! Бросаю стан гранату!
See you later, mate.
Враг убит! Вспышка! Враг убит!
Hey gang, Some proper stuff. Well, there's some fucking creepy Russian shit.
I'm sweating my tits off. Fuck me.
It's good to see you speaking English again.
Who?
What?
Hello.
Oh,
Fucking hell. Do we need these hats and hat suits on?
probably not.
Well, I did nothing but successfully. Fucking hell! I'm just gonna rip it in a minute.
It's too hot. It's too hot.
Like a dog, mate. Fucking hell. My fucking flies are undone. Get this thing off me. Oh my god, mate, it's so hot. Right. There's keys to them on there. Fabulous. Yeah, I got fucking loads. Sandpaper, dust sheets, sugar soap, primer, white, clear, white. Let's fucking do this. Help me.
These are not the right thing to use.
They're not. What is it? I've never done this before. Like I've painted things, but I've never made like a candid effort to do it properly. If that makes sense.
You've never really painted anything big, have you?
In what? In English?
I suppose.
You don't need to wear those until we're actually painting anything, mate. The professional way would, of course, be to take it off, but the bumper off, the light out. That's not fucking happening.
Fuck that. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Knob Boss, and today we're going to be painting this front bumper of this Ford Escort. I'd like for you to join us. I'll put the colours of what we're using today on the bottom of the screen. Right, now let's get trucking. That's great. We're going to start off today. Oh wait, no, I don't have my glasses on. I'm going to start off today with some Storm Grey, or commonly known as primer.
Oh fuck, it's so funny. Oh fucking hell.
It's all over my glasses.
Oh fuck. Oh mate, that's the shit. How much that fucking cost just for that?
Like wig, £6. Oh shit. Does it matter that I've got it on the radiator? Is that a thing? Don't worry, pal. That could be a happy little accident. There's no mistakes here. Can I not be Bob Ross anymore? I don't want to be Bob Ross anymore. It's hot. It's your joke, mate. You're sticking with it. I'm a professional. swear I just saw Bob Ross walking down the road. What the fuck?
No, that was not boss.
Nah, not boss.
That was not boss. Oh, fuck, get this thing off, it's touching the paint. Put a weight on it.
Oh shit.
Barrier control.
You got a splitter? Yeah.
They used to be fucking everywhere and they were super popular. But now they're like commanding mega money. And yeah, we picked one up super cheap. So
We also put the mic. We also cover our mics up with these masks, so that it sounds better, better quality for the audience.
Fuck off, Ken.
Commanding mega money.
This is useful.
Kinda. Camera came out of nowhere.
The angles you have to take.
They're like, what the fuck? The thing's gone.
This is how. Oh shit.
That's fair. Renault owners don't really notice when stuff goes missing, does it? I think my spoilers fell off.
You see how much these sell for now on eBay and that? So you may have noticed, or looking at the other footage, that we've actually got a really badly damaged mirror as well. This wasn't us at all. This was this your bin, Aidan?
Yeah, it was that bin right there.
We had some really bad wind a couple of months back, and the wind blew off the driveway and took it straight out. But thankfully, managed to pick up a brand new old stock one, pre-primered by Ford, for 13 quid. Which is handy. So while we've got the spray booth up, it makes sense to get it on there.
Get it split.
Sweet.
I can spray all over my hand.
What are you looking From memory, they do stand up like. Yes. Oh, you fucking prick. I can't put it down. Harsh.
More.
What?
The smell of the spray smells like bubblegum for some reason.
Bubblegum?
Do you not think it smells like bubblegum?
Are you high?
Maybe.
Bubblegum, you look like you did.
Oh, why am I sticking to the floor for fuck's sake?
Oh no. Mia, go and hose this off.
Cool.
Thanks.
Spray this web up. Nice. Ugh.
Never killed him, have you?
Not immediately. Right, so we jacked the car up.
Split time's like the best time of the year.
What? Split time.
Split time.
Fuck. Oh, fuck, I hit the camera.
Thankfully it's pretty fucking easy to move it down, you know. Give it a jack back.
Don't lift it up. Okay, now he's a fucking animal.
Right. Well, I don't know about you, Aidan, but I reckon that just about does it for this particular episode of BCD. The Road to Ford Fair Part 1. Do you reckon I call it quits for today? That'd be enough, wouldn't it?
I reckon so.
Bumper's been painted up, looks a lot better, splitter's fitted.
Right. Now for some cinematics, I guess.
Yeah, QB roll.
It's a tug of war, battling to keep my sanity. Say no more.